For Chu Zhang and his wife Daisy, seeing their very own house almost finished gives plenty of reasons to be excited.
The house came along pretty good. I like it. Everybody's happy. Yeah.
The Zhang house is a part of Fresno Habitat for Humanity's Hope Village. Here, the houses will go to low-income families who are in need of a home and are willing to help build it from the ground up. Before receiving their home in Hope Village, the Zhang family was having to stay with a relative, with the entire family sleeping in the living room. To them, this house is more than just a place to live. It's a dream coming true. The Fresno Habitat for Humanity has helped over 100 families find a place to call home since 1988. The houses are built with help from volunteer construction workers, with some supplies coming from donated equipment at the Restore in Clovis. Family Services Coordinator Joan Cook says that all of the volunteer work is helping these families reshape their lives.
It's the American dream, and they're very grateful. They don't take anything for granted.
And that includes Zhang's wife, Daisy Vang. She described the new house as a 10 out of 10 compared to their former living conditions and looks forward to raising their young daughter in their new home.
And she's happy. I could see that she loves the house, and I believe that she'll be happy here.
Thanks to the Habitat for Humanity, many other families will feel that happiness as well. Keenan Sanders, Fresno State Focus.